Hi friends, strong and healthy bones are very important for everyone. Children and young adults need extra nutrition to build those strong bones, grow taller and gain bone mass. Bone strength can reduce the risk of fractures when they fall down. Adults also need strong bones and teeth to be able to work hard and to be physically active. Elderly people require strong bones to prevent loss of bone or risk of fractures if they accidentally fall. Let us see a tasty mouth-watering recipe that is equally enjoyed by kids, adults and elderly. It is very easy to make. For this we need sesame seeds. You can use both black sesame seeds as well as white sesame seeds. I am using the white sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are powerhouse of nutrients and contains calcium, magnesium and zinc that makes bones stronger and reduces chance of fractures. Take a quarter cup of sesame seeds and dry roast it. Dry roasting sesame seeds increases flavor and crispiness. After dry roasting for about 3 minutes, take it aside and let it cool down. Now we will take edible gum. Edible gum is also known as gum arabic and gond. This is made from drying the sap of acacia plant. Its rich content of calcium and potassium can strengthen bones and teeth. It also provides immunity against common cold and flu. Just take a pan, add a little ghee in that. Wait for the ghee to heat up a little bit. Now slowly add edible gum. We need to add it in small quantities. They immediately puff up and becomes crispy and crunchy just like popcorn. Now using a skimmer spoon, take them out of the pan into a bowl. Again heat up little ghee and fry edible gum in small quantities. Do this until you fry 4 tablespoons of edible gum. Wait for it to cool down and dry out a little bit. Now in a small mixer grinder jar, first grind the sesame seeds. Just give 1 or 2 spins. If you grind more, it can become paste. Make sure it becomes a coarse, crunchy powder like this. The sesame seeds powder is ready. Take this into a bowl. Now add our roasted edible gum into the mixer grinder jar. Just give 1 short pulse. It crumbles into small bits. It is best enjoyed as little bits and pieces. Avoid grinding too much, otherwise it becomes a paste. Now add this also into the bowl. Take 2 small palm jaggery blocks, grind it up to form jaggery powder. Now add around 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder into the bowl. Mix them all together. That's all, a nutritious, tasty snack is ready. You can also make this into laddu and enjoy. Store it in a small glass jar. You can store this outside for up to 3 months. Just take 2 teaspoons of this powder every day to strengthen bones and teeth, prevent osteoporosis and reduce chances of fractures. Besides this, take vitamin D supplements if you have low vitamin D. Vitamin D is important to increase calcium absorption. Thank you.